A Jade facial roller is a skincare device that has a larger roller on one end and a smaller on the other, connected by a handle. Chinese holistic medicine has used this practice for years, concurs Amy Bowen, a licensed esthetician and HSN skincare spokesperson in Daytona Beach, Florida. Jade has, indeed, been a staple throughout Asia for centuries due to its decorative, spiritual, and energetic qualities. Jade is used for its calming properties, and is believed to help heal ailments from heart to kidney issues. It's said to be helpful on the nervous system as well, Bowen notes. Most proponents suggest using a Jade roller for about 5 minutes, twice per day, after washing your face and applying your creams or serums. It's believed that rolling over the products can help them penetrate more deeply. Puliciano, who only uses her roller from her neck up, says the most important thing to remember is always rolling in an upward motion. The Jade facial roller is meant to refresh the skin, tone your face, reduce under-eye circles, and reduce inflammation, as well as myriad other benefits. On Herbivore Botanicals, the company claims the product improves blood circulation and skin tone, improves elasticity of the skin, promotes lymphatic drainage, reduces puffiness and wrinkles, reduces dark under-eye circles, eliminates toxins, tightens and reduces pore size. How to use the Jade facial roller. According to New York-based celebrity facialist Ling Chan, the proper way to use the Jade facial roller is to start at the center of your neck and move outwards and upwards to finish at the hairline. I have quite dull skin as well as some wrinkles and bags under each eye, Lindsay Smith said. I know I don't have the worst skin ever, but I was excited to see if the Jade roller could help improve my face and limit the amount of concealer I pack under my eyes, she added. I also had plans to attend several concerts all in the same week, and knew that my skin might suffer from the late nights. Using the Jade facial roller day 1. First impressions, I put the Jade facial roller in the fridge as suggested and used it first thing in the morning, and it was colder than I was expecting. I hissed as it touched my skin because I was not ready for how cold it was going to be. I thought that I would try the product out on the first day without looking up directions. So I just rolled it all over my face with no rhyme or reason. Since I wasn't sure how long I should use the roller, I spent around 1 minute on my entire face. I didn't see any immediate results. Day 2. On the second day, I used the roller before bed after my shower, instead of first thing in the morning. I also used it correctly as directed. After 2 days, I could tell that my cheeks were looking plumper, but in a good way. Also, my pores did seem a little smaller. However, it may have been a placebo effect because I wanted it to work so badly. Day 3. On the third day, I could tell the texture of my skin was looking smoother overall. What's more, I had attended a bunch of concerts to start the week. After 3 concerts in a row, my under-eye bags didn't seem as puffy as they normally would after being out super late. Day 4. On the 4th day, I put the roller in the freezer to make it extra cold to see if that would make a difference. I also found online that the roller should be applied for 2 to 4 minutes at a time, so I upped my usage. I'm not sure if the freezer helped so much more, or if it was the culmination of 4 days of using the Jade facial roller, but on this day I didn't even put concealer under my eyes, after using it. Even as the day went on, my under-eye area looked great. Day 5. Once the 5th day rolled around, I couldn't wait to use the Jade facial roller. I started to treat the application like a relaxing beauty treatment and took my time rolling it over my neck and face. I also used it both in the morning and at night. Day 6. After 6 days of using the Jade facial roller, I did notice that my bags weren't as prominent as usual. While they weren't completely gone, my eye area looked a lot better. My face as a whole seemed healthier as well. Day 7. On my last day, I didn't notice a crazy transformation in my skin, but I do like the result after using the Jade facial roller for a week. There were no negatives to using the product on my skin and it didn't irritate my sensitive face. After going to bed very late most nights and waking up early, I did notice a dramatic decrease in the size of the bags under my eyes. Final thoughts. Would I try using a Jade facial roller again? My verdict is that I absolutely would. I think using the Jade facial roller consistently will improve the overall look of my skin. What did it do to my skin? In just 7 days I already saw a small difference, and I think constant use of the Jade face roller will help. It did not negatively affect my skin, so I see no reason why I should stop using it. It also feels so relaxing to sit in bed and roll the cool Jade over my skin. It's a nice little mini spa day. Would I recommend it to a friend? I would definitely recommend it to a friend, because it did seem to work for the bags under my eyes. I think if you're looking to decrease the size of the bags under your eyes, and have a natural solution for youthful looking skin, a Jade facial roller definitely does the trick.